Hi guys, my name is Emma and today we will be analyzing what's happening on Bitcoin chart this time because the situation is very dangerous and we must be very careful because we must remember about default, about the fears about default. So right now subscribe to the channel, put your like, and also you have asked me to create something special for you and I am preparing it. So if you want to trade online with me in live format, I am creating the Telegram group where I'm finding 20 people and with them we will be trading, opening the trades together in one moment and getting the profit on together. So if you want to become this chosen one, write to me the code word group into my personal Telegram messages and I will add it to this Telegram group. And we are starting our analysis today, so let's go to the ByBit exchange and see everything what's happening now. So let's start with the monthly time frame, and we see that the upward movement of Bitcoin, which began in January of this year, was first changed by a red candlestick in May. And the reason for this is the Fed's rate hike, fears of default in the US, and everything related to it. And the House of Representatives voted to raise the US debt ceiling. Another bill will be sent to the Senate for consideration. The law will suspend the federal government's borrowing limit until January 1st, 2025. Congress and the White House are trying to get the bill approved by June 5th in order to avoid default. Earlier, US Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen said that the resources of the department will be exhausted by June 5th if the debt ceiling is not raised. These events greatly influenced the market during May, and many assumed that a default was possible, which would lead to the collapse of traditional financial markets and also affect the cryptocurrency market. And now we have a new bill, and this is a positive moment for the market actually, but we see that this bubble is growing and its shell is already beginning to crack, and sooner or later there will be such an explosion actually that the events of 2008 will seem very insignificant in comparison with this, I suppose. Let's study the daily time frame, and earlier we defined several zones. The resistance zone is around $29,000 and the support zone is around $27,000, and the price broke through and tested this zone. The last time the price tested it at the moment of the good news and went beyond this zone to the area of $28,000, where it hasn't been since May 10. And now the price is falling lower and stops in the area of 26,800. However, the price movement stopped at EMA 100, this is this green line, and at the top we have EMA 50 as the resistance. And note that the price bounces from Bollinger Bands from the upper to the lower one. And I think the best entry point will be around 26,200 or 26,300, and I do not yet see the reasons and scenarios for the price falling below this zone, including a drop to the global zone in the area of $25,000. We have already had such attempts many times, and we see it on May 19 and May 25. But there was a good accumulation of the asset, and I believe that the price will test the zones of $27,000 and then $28,000. And on-chain analysts also talk about this. They believe that after the bear market of 2022 and signs of recovery in the first quarter of this year, on-chain metrics have undergone significant changes, and many assume that the long-term bottom of Bitcoin price has already been reached, and it was around $16,000 to $20,000. However, due to the stagnation of the price movement since this period, doubts have returned, and now analysts have applied a new metric called long-term holder spending and profitability, and have shown that the current market has recently reached the transition phase, noting a local surge in LTH spending this week. In general, there is a possibility that the bottom has been reached and now this is a transitional phase for Bitcoin, and that is why there will be a small accumulation now and then the price will rise and the price will approach new price highs, but closer to January 2024 or 2025 actually. So let's see, here Bitcoin has gone to a correction, well it's of 28,400 and has now dropped to the area of 26,800, and if we use the levels of Fibonacci Fibonacci, we will see that Bitcoin has approached the golden ratio, in the area of 0.618. This golden ratio that I have already told you, and therefore we should expect a correction in these marks, in these values. So this may be a signal that the price is going to reverse and then move up to the area of $28,000, and I expect that Bitcoin will continue its up move and will not fall below $26,800. There may be some sharp movements, of course, to the area of 26,400 or 200, but it will still recover and begin to grow first to the area of 27,800, and later it may reach the level of 28,400. And I believe that the price will move to the area of $29,000, and it's a more likely scenario, actually, I suppose. And it's undesirable for Bitcoin to gain foothold below $26,800. Bitcoin may lose the growth momentum that it has already made. I mean, this momentum, because Bitcoin will continue to decline further. And then let's hope that the level of $25,000 will withstand it, as well as the low Bollinger Band and the 100 EMA. So now let's open the appropriate position according to all the analysis that we have discussed here. So let's open a long position, and to do this, let's set the price of the order a little bit below $26,750, and it's like the zone where the golden ratio is, and so let's take the time out of $2,000 and let's use 5 times leverage. So I have my order, I confirm it, and you will be able to see what's gonna happen next in the next video. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and now you know what's happening on Bitcoin chart, but I guess that you have your own ideas and comments, so write these in the comments under this video. All of us will be very glad to read the opinions of the real people. Other subscribers really like it, so do not hesitate and write your opinion. If you want to trade with me online in live format, I'm inviting you to my Telegram group. So I'm finding 20 people where we will be trading together. We will be opening the trades together in one moment, and we'll get the profit all together. So if you want to become this one chosen one, find the link in the description under this video, get to my personal Telegram messages and send me the code word group, and you will become the member of this group. So guys, I wish you all the best, wish you a calm mind, and I'll see you in the next video.